Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you have a man that loves to go out in the outdoors and explore, you really need a pair of pants that are going to keep up with him. And I love the CQR Tactical Hiking Pants for Men. My husband and I love hiking and taking pictures and just enjoying the beautiful outdoors. So it's really important for us to have high quality pants. He noticed right away the durability of the material. They are quick dry, so when we were hiking near a waterfall and got completely soaked, once we got out of the water and hit the sun, they dried so quickly they didn't even look like they got wet. They are so nice. It has so many pockets. You can easily put a utility knife, you can fit snacks, his phone. It has a nice little metal loop here attached to the belt loop where you can hook on a water bottle, your keys. He put these pants through so much. He went on a 20-mile hike, and when he got back, it almost looked like he had done nothing in these pants. There were no rips or scratches or any dirt really that was on them. I was really impressed with how they did. My husband absolutely loved these. They're his go-to pants for when he's exploring, and I think you or your significant other is going to love these pants as well. And that's my point of view.